Hey y'all, and thank you for stepping into the Casey Glam Show, period. Today we are installing my birthday wig, Big Purr. As you already can see, Baby Girl's 40 inches, and I'll be using the Even Spray Hand Edge Brush. This beeswax is to push my real edges back, and a blow dryer, and whatever else I'll just put in this video for real. So let's get started. So I'm not very experienced with cutting lace, so I use my scissors to cut in 3 different parts, so it'll be easier when it comes to laying it down. So I'm starting off with the Even Spray in the first section. I used a eyebrow pencil to mark the areas of where I want the spray to go, and I'm going to do 3 layers on each tab. So as I'm letting my hair dry, as y'all can see, y'all, I'm in my zone. It's my birthday weekend, big period. I was listening to City Girls Rodeo, y'all. I was enjoying myself. I was having the time of my life installing this damn wig.
Where is John?
So here's how I applied the lace to my actual forehead. I just pulled that section down, and then I'll hold it down and then dry it so it stays in place. So once each layer is down individually, I'm going to spray the glue also on top of the lace for extra protection.
Where is John?
So now I'm getting ready to do the last side. I did the other side off camera and underneath this side as well off camera. So once that's done, I take my Got BBL bundles, periods, edge wrap, and I wrap it around just to hold it down to be very secure. It does have a Velcro strap, so it's easier to make it tight, especially with longer nails. It tends to be easier to use a Velcro than to actually have to tie it.
Where is John?
So I'm pretty much done now. I'm gonna do my face and come back, but I'm gonna cut my lace off first, big period, and then I'm going to finish my face and be a complete baddie. So with cutting my lace, I just cut straight across to where those lines were created, and then to melt the lace, I sprayed some more even on top and then blow dried it. Next, after this, I'm gonna come back and be a full baddie for real this time. This is the final look. I honestly feel like I snapped for real. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Thank y'all for watching. Bye, Glam Babes.